Today, I had a series of review meetings. One we had regarding the beautification and the overall cleanliness and other urban projects in Shillong, Jowai and Tura, and it was in line with the work that we've already started, but how to make it even better. So how we would involve the community, support the community and work with the community to ensure that Shillong cleanliness is improved, waste management is improved, our overall water, the waste which is not being managed in the way it should be can be improved. So multiple aspects on this was discussed. Number two, we discussed about the national games and the preparation for the national games. So there was a separate second review which took place about the national games. We went into all the details about infrastructure, accommodation, transport, the number of athletes and sports persons who will be coming, different sports, in which locations it will be held, so on and so forth. All the details of the national games were discussed. Third meeting we had was regarding a proposal to set up a center of excellence for Agar in Meghalaya, because we feel there's a huge opportunity for it. So we went into detail about the presentation and how we will build up the entire center of excellence. The fourth review we had was the forest department, where all the different aspects of forest and the different wings that are there of the forest department, different aspects of revenue generation, how to increase the revenue generation and overall improvement of the forest department were discussed in that meeting. And we also had which was another meeting. I'm sorry, there's so many meetings we had, and there was one more meeting that was there. I'll just double check and I'll get back to you. So, but these are the main four departments, main departments over there. No specific urban infrastructure development as such. It was overall to look at the cleanliness, beautification, and just enhancing the overall work that we're doing already in Shillong, and how to improve it and make it better. We had one more meeting. Yes, we had a meeting with MTC where we had, there were 6 meetings. So apart from the 4 which I've mentioned to you, we had the 5th meeting which was with the Meghalaya Transport Corporation, and where we discussed about the different assets that the Transport Corporation has and how we could improve and ensure that we can use it in a much more effective manner. And the last meeting, the 6th meeting, which was also a very, very important meeting, is as you're aware that we have put up 2 committees specifically to look into the Khuborjylla and one committee to look into the roots of the Garo tribe. So therefore one committee that look into the roots of the Khasi and Janmiet, the tribes, and one that look into the roots of the Garo tribe and do a detailed research, including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, and connect with different researchers to document different aspects of both the Khasi Janmiet tribes and the background, and also for the Garo community. And we're doing this because, as I said, we would like to see that more documentation, more research and more facts are available, so that all these documentations which had not been done in the past can be done. So this was again discussed today. We'll be formally launching this particular research program in the month of May, but we did the preliminary study. In fact, the team has started working from February itself, and we will further take this research, which would in fact entail discussions with different institutes at national level, even at international level, and go into the in-depth analysis of the roots of our different tribes in the state. It will be anything between 18 months to 24 months because it's a very detailed study. But obviously, as we go along, the reports will keep coming.